welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a review on my Chanel classic card holder in caviar leather. I'll be talking about its wear and tear after 2 years, what fits inside, the leather that comes in this particular card holder, some colors, and most of all, my honest review. But before I get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Antoinette. I post new videos every week regarding luxury, unboxings, reviews, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and travel. If you like that kind of content, if you would consider subscribing to my channel and click that notification bell so the next time I post new videos, you'll be the first one to get notified. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching this video today. I appreciate all your support. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so let me give you a detail about this card holder and when you normally get it at the boutique, brand new. So it usually comes in this box right here, in the Chanel box. And when you open it, it's in a dust bag that says Chanel, and you open it and your card holder is inside. And mine is in caviar leather, and the reason why I got this in caviar leather is that most of my Chanel pieces are in caviar. Especially with a wallet, you would just put it inside your bag. You could have items inside that could easily scratch your bag. So that's the reason why it's my personal choice that I love my Chanel to be in caviar leather. It is because I don't really want to baby my bags a lot or my small leather goods, especially the small leather goods. So that's the reason why I got it in caviar leather. But this is also available in lambskin. It's available in different colors depending on the season. You could get it in all different colors, and also it comes in a boy card holder, and I'll show you a picture on how that looks like. So yeah, so this card holder is very spacious. When you open it up, it has the burgundy interior, and with the with the authenticity card, I usually either leave it in the box or carry it with me. And so let me show you the detail of this card holder. So it has a pocket on the back right here, just like a classic Chanel bag. And it has, mine has the silver hardware, and it also has a snap closure. It has a small pocket here, at the same time a bigger pocket on the inside. And mine says Chanel here, made in France. And the cute thing about this card holder is that it also has this authenticity card on the inside. And it also has its sticker, authenticity sticker also on the inside. And yeah, so that's the detail of my classic card holder. And the dimension is, it is 3 inches tall, and it is 4 inches here, and it's 0.8 inches on the depth. So let me show you what fits inside. And so I have a few cards here. So yeah, so normally what I would do is I would put my driver's license on the outside so it's readily available when I need it. And right here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards over here, and it would fit perfectly on the inside. So I'll show you. So right now I have, did I say 8? And I still have a lot of space in there. And also what you could do is that if you have, like here, dollar bills, I would just put it here also. So it fits perfectly, and my most important credit card would go in the front. So let's put one card and put it in the front, and I'll show you that it would fit perfectly here on the front. So yeah, so I've had this for 2 years, and pretty much this is, I've been using this a lot. And the reason why I love this, it is fairly compact, but it does carry a lot, and I use this on all my Chanel bags. I have a longer wallet, but I find, you know, picking this piece more, it is because, you know, it fits on every single bag and it's not heavy, and I could put more stuff inside, like my other essentials, if I carry this wallet right here. So yeah. And I call this a wallet because really this is the wallet that I use. Everything that I need, I put it in here. So yeah, so that's why I called it a wallet as well. And the way you can get this piece is you could either contact your Neiman Marcus, Saks Fifth Avenue, Bergdorf Goodman, or Nordstrom. You could call your local store and ask to be connected to their Chanel boutique if they have a Chanel boutique. And you could ask them if they have the classic card holder available. And if they do, they could ship it out to you. With the Chanel boutique though, you need to have a purchase history before they will be able to ship it out to you. But I heard that if you get like, you know, like makeup or, you know, some kind of perfume from Chanel and you order it and you have a purchase history, then they would count that. So don't quote me on that, because I know it used to be okay to do that, but I'm not sure with all the changes right now if that's still allowed. But that's what I heard last time. But you could always call their Chanel customer service and ask them what are the other ways to get or to build a purchase history, so you can get pieces that is not readily available to order online. Now let's talk about the pros of this card holder. So my pros really is that with this one, it is durable, especially in caviar leather. It is roomy, and I love that it is compact, that you could put it in any of your bags without any problems, and it gives a lot of space for the other items that you want to put in your bag. I really truly love it. It is very roomy, and I could fit everything that I needed, my cards, my store cards, my credit cards, insurance cards, you know, everything that I need in this card holder. I could also put some cash inside, and because it has 3 pockets, 2 smaller ones, 1 big ones, is that I could literally just separate them into, if I, you know, the most that I need to use, I put it on the outside or on the inside flap. And again, it is very compact. It fits on all the bags that I want to use. Even on my mini pochette, this one fits. So that's the reason why I truly love this piece, because it's so versatile, it's compact, and it's roomy. And the only cons that I have on this card holder is that if you put like a coin, some coins in here, and because this is really not made for coins, so if you do have coins, and let's say you paid cash and they give you some coins, then when you put it in here, it could get in between your cards. But really, that's very minor. It's not like a big deal. And I know we don't really get a lot of coins anyway. So what I do, if, you know, I do get some coins from like a change, then when I get home, I just remove the coins and just, you know, leave it at home and just continue to use this piece. But yeah, so this Chanel card holder is very useful. I think it's such a versatile piece. It's so functional, and for the price point right now, it is $550 US, and I really think it is worth the price, especially if you love wearing Chanel and you have like a Chanel flat bag and you want something that would match your bag, and even any kinds of bag, even, you know, if you have a boy bag or all the different kind of Chanel bags, this one would complement any handbags, even non-Chanel bags. And if you're looking for a starter piece from Chanel and you wanted to try out their SLG first, then this would be a beautiful starter piece from Chanel, and you really would not regret getting this item. And again, it comes in caviar or lambskin. It also comes in either the silver hardware or gold hardware. And yeah, so different kinds of color depending on the season. So it would just depend on what is available at your store. And you know, Chanel, it's really hard to get their pieces. You just have to keep on trying, calling different stores, what colors they are available. And a lot of times their SA are really friendly. They would text you the items that they have and they'll send it out to you. And so yes, again, this is my review of my Chanel card holder in caviar leather and in color black. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this video was helpful in deciding if you wanted to get the Chanel card holder. And if you have any type of questions about this piece right here, leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Again, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, guys, and God bless.